Okay, you can see all the constructions going on site here. They reopened the walk path along here that gets people back and forth to Springs and Red Hawk, and this path goes all the way to East Keystone, and it continues all the way back to West Keystone. You can get to Lake Dillon. But you can see the site here at Kindred. You can see all the equipment here. Again, it's going to be a Rock Resort managed property with the hotel. There's the gondola. You're literally 55 steps from the gondola, 55 feet from the edge of the gondola to the steps. It takes up this whole site, Kindred. On the protected wetland right here, and the ski slopes, and the Snake River just on the other side of here. And then on the other side of the gondola there, over in those trees, is the North Fork.